So at this point, exterior is, well, it's not done, but it's getting there, right? It's almost done, but the interior is completely empty. And that is something that I wanna fix. The most important thing here is the staircase, right? Because right now there's no connectivity between the floor and between the ground floor and the first floor. So I need to figure out how the heck are we gonna do a staircase here. Layer, helper, blue, and let's just do a box. And that box is gonna be 1200 mil. Then for the width, 270 millimeters, 27 centimeters. And for the height, I'll do 18, so 180 millimeters. A beautiful step right here. All we need to do is just copy it a bunch of times. Okay, so we have our staircase right here, and I just want to put it inside of my building. That actually might work. Let's do some SubD staircases. Isolate that. I need to create one step, right? I need to create one step in SubD and just kind of continue building it up. Single SubD face, and I'm just going to So that's my segment. I am actually going to take it and copy it somewhere here and hide it because I don't trust myself and I think I will break it. Okay, so let's say, let's just look. Let's investigate. We join everything up, we hit the tab button, and we see that it's a blobby mess. Actually, that looks pretty dope. I mean, we stick to it. Okay, so the idea is we have this lip here, right? And basically that lip is, if I show you the glass in the frames, right? And we look at this is the inner courtyard, right? So when you look at it, it's basically a lip towards the inner courtyard. I kind of want to take this polygon right here and raise it up like that, right? So that it meets that lip, so that in turn we have less stairs to deal with, right? The staircase is smaller. So there's this kind of website that's called winkfox, and they have contacted me saying that, yo, we have a bunch of cool courses that you could advertise to your viewers, and if some of your viewers buy those courses, you will get like 5% from the price or something like that. And I was like, yeah, sure, that's cool. Just show me the courses. And they gave me the list of the courses. I went through them and I found one that I really liked. And basically this house right here that you are seeing, I kind of followed that course, like a small portion of that course. And I did a small kind of movie-esque thing with it, like with what I've learned in that course. Let me show you. You know, this is the house, right? Like special effects, animation, going through some cool lights and whatnot, panning. And just stuff that spruces up your presentation, you know, when you're showcasing. So the course that I actually followed is in the video description, like in the description of this video, which I think is a good enough deal to consider. You know, if you are interested in Blender and you have some money laying around. Anyway. Back to modeling. Let's push a little bit on the project. If I don't read your comments, I'm sorry. I just want to focus on this for a bit. Oh, we ate up a lot of stairs with this solution, which I think is always a good thing. Okay, now this is gonna be the actual tricky part. Oh my god, how the hell are we gonna do this? These two will need to be moved down. From here to... come on, just Just move. Just snap, please. Please. There we go. Okay. And now this gets deleted altogether because now we need to figure out. Oh my God. We need to figure out a way on how we're going to topologically connect the staircase that we have just made to the platform. Do a few war crimes here with some triangles. I'm sorry, model. It had to be this way. Like, it looks ugly and so on. That's fine. That's exactly how I want it to look. I kind of want to make this into a step. Yeah, I guess that works. I don't really like how this turns out, but I guess that's fine. Yeah, sure. Let's keep it. So now we have a ramp. Sweet. We have a ramp. Okay, so this is going to be the one that's going to work for us. It's tricky. That we need. Oh my God, this is tricky. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. And now all we need to take care of is this area right here and this area right here. So this is easy. Or maybe it can. Okay, let's do it this way. Maybe it can go up here. What the hell is going on here? Not the same point. Stitch. Reconnect. Okay, so now this is all good. I think that's fine. I think that works well. Like, it's still very clunky, a very clunky stair, but it starts looking nice. There are more things that I want to do with it though. What if we take this insert edge, we add like one more edge right here, something like that. We extrude this down like that. In doing so, we get this wall here that we can kind of work with to make a railing, I think. Let's try. So this moves in a bit. I want this to be soft. Yeah, that's soft enough. And now we have a staircase that has a little bit of a place to hold yourself at its highest point. I think we're done with the stair. Okay, I want to build, or not build, but make this building or render this building in winter. Does anyone in the chat have an idea of how to add snow on top of trees? So I will try a few ideas and see whatever sticks. So the first thing that I want is I want a tree, right? And I'm lazy, so I'll just grab some chaos, cosmos, vegetation. Later, I'll update you later, and I'll just grab a tree from there. Is I want to get this tree and move it, or not move it, what am I saying? Reference it as a mesh into Grasshopper. Set one mesh. Bam. I mean, yeah, it's getting there. Point radius, definitely smaller, 150. That's better. It's actually pretty damn good. Okay. I dig this. Voxel size, let's do like 50. It is reflecting just the way I want it to. And it does give us that rim. Okay, so now we have trees with snow. Tick mark this, but we'll deal with this later. For now, I'm happy the trees work, the snow works. We can do some 3D modeling. We can do some 3D modeling. Actually, there's not much that I want to do with the 3D model today. A few things here and there, but which means that somewhere nearby, we want to have a kitchen. Yeah, let's just do a kitchen right here. Yeah, these polygons right here. We're gonna be the kitchen. It's gonna be a long boy. I think that's fine. I do think that is fine. Yeah, let's do it that way. So this long boy, I will inset it inwards as a group by I don't know, like 5 centimeters, something like that. Okay, fine. We'll extrude it the weird way. And now this whole thing gets moved to that intersection right there. So now we do have a 90-degree angle right there, and the 90-degree angle right there. We hit the tab button and we see that it looks like shit. But we will fix it. We will fix it from looking like absolute crap. Like it blobs out here, and that's gonna be a weird area right there. But maybe we can make this work. Yeah, okay, let's try. Let's just try. I do have one idea that we can do. Because right now we kind of get that like best of both worlds with the seam in the top and this blobby part right here. I think that looks fine. Problematic. Okay, whatever. We will fix that later. For now, I do have a furniture piece and I want to kind of move forward with this. So what are we gonna do? Let's find the camera angle that we like. We're using 20 mil, huh? Let's do 50. Kind of like that, but we already did that angle. So I'm going to do this one where we actually see the inside. Actually, this is a pretty nice light angle, but let's see if we can make it nicer. Sun. Let's do manual control for the sun. That's basically it. Not much more. I'm gonna grab these trees here and I'll just push them in here. I wanna test render this out. Okay, back to our little scene right here. Actually, let's finish up with the scene because we have it going, kinda. I'll disable the trees. I'll change this to perspective view. Let's try out Unreal Engine. Okay, so we have this thing working. Let's see. Let's investigate. Play. Okay, there's our building. Looks kind of nice. A little bit laggy with me moving around. But it's kind of okay. Let's go in. Maybe choosing to have everything super reflective was a bad idea. Now I question my idea of having everything reflective. That really doesn't help with performance now, does it? And there is our interior. I can I can show it here. This is with the old version of Unreal Engine 4, and this is with the new version of Unreal Engine 5. I think this is better. Feels better. Do we do a few more like let's do half an hour more. I wanna create a decent render, like not a decent render, but I wanna push a little bit further with the exterior for the render. So I'm going to probably create some sort of a landscape texture. Yeah, from this angle it looks fine. Looks okay. I mean, there's no height difference and so on. Everything is super flat, but we will be fixing that later. For now, this is fine. Okay, so we have that done. Now I want more stuff in the foreground.